Uh-oh. Look what we found here, you guys.
But though, if you were a bird, wouldn't you?
Tatlong itlog dito.
Yeah, if you were a bird, wouldn't you?
These are like robin's robin's eggs.
Because it's not gonna get wet.
Oh no, it's.
Oh my goodness.
That's why.
Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect.
Yeah, and it's not. Because
So guys, andyan pa yung ang eggs. Hindi pa nag-hatch. So I can't really see it kasi it's too high up for me. But I thought I'd share this with you guys. This is crazy. So yeah, ayan lang guys. Ingat kayo. I'll update you with these babies here kung mag-hatch na sila. So ayan lang guys. Bye. Hey guys, I think nag-hatch na yung itlog. Ayan na guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo. I think there's baby bird in there. Ang cute. Ayan guys. So cute. Wow. Oh my goodness. Super cute. Oh wow, they're still here.
I don't know if you realize, but
Yeah.
Danny hit just a minute ago was off of
Oh my goodness. Yes.
What does that tell you? Well, he's got great plate discipline.
I don't know, but
Be able to control his own to hit
they're so cute.
control his own.
Huh? I'm not touching them. Looks like there's
Baltimore, and they haven't beaten Boston yet.
4. I'm not sure. I can't see. Maybe, but they're so cute.
That game is
Are they chirping?
They're not chirping. They should be chirping, no?
we are ready. Schneider.
They're not like. Okay. Oh, stay alive.
Thank you as always for watching Blue Jay Central.
Stay alive.
Oh, you gotta get down.
So guys, si Mama Bird, oh, nadala siyang worm. She's feeding her babies. Look at that. She's got lots of worm in there, in her mouth. And she's feeding them. That's so cute. Oh, not looking. Not making eye contact. Yeah. Ang saya ng mga birds, guys. Nag-tweet agad. So guys, tingnan mo tong mga bird na to. Malaki na sila, oh. Ayan. I don't know how many are in there. I can't see. But I can see the damage that they're doing in my curtains here. Diyan na sila tumatai, guys. Ayan, oh. And I'm not liking this. Look at that. Daming tae, guys. Ang daming dumi. Not nice. I can't wait when you guys can fly and then I'll get rid of your nest. No. Tumitingin lang siya. Yan siya. Wait. Yan siya yung hindi pa siguro makalipad. Yung iba siguro lumilipad na. Kasi isa lang nakita ko eh. Yan. Yan lang guys. Oh my goodness, I have a big job ahead of me. Linisin ko itong mga dumi nila. Tayo talaga. Pasaway. Aren't you cute?
So where's he getting them? Someone's still making them. Someone's still ordering them.
I think she's the only one
They're
that
the
left
original
here.
Supreme Blue. He said you can go down there and
The
get
other's
one
gone.
because
Oh.
you remember the MX?
Good or something.
Billy was going to buy one, but Barrett, he started wearing.
What's that?
He started wearing the 'Cause he was he was about.
Yeah, you're ready to fly, aren't you?
The
Yeah,
CCMs.
I think so.
I think when he got into.
Hey, you ready to fly?
Afghanistan, he really loved them. And he said,
You're ready to
"Lighter
fly."
boot." So I said to Bales, lighter boot, why don't you try it out? Bales.
I think she's ready to fly. She's ready. She's just waiting. She's waiting. Wow. I can't wait for you to fly. She's waiting. Oh. She's also. Did you heard her? First time I heard her that. She's calling her mom. She's like, help me, mom. Help me. She's gonna fly in a minute now. In a minute. Oh. Oh. I think that's probably the, oh.
It's Mama.
Mama and daughter family.
Is that the mom right there?
Probably.
Can you see?
I don't know where she is. Mama, where you at? Come here, come get your daughter. Your baby. Trying to fly ba? So she's down here now. She's trying to fly, you guys. Yan siya, oh. Yan siya. Palabasin ko kaya ito. Alam niyo guys, ang dami ng dumi dito. Diyan na sila dumudumi. I can't wait to wash this one down. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Ang dami. Grabe kayo, ha. Talaga. Yan siya, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, I wanna help her out but I'm so scared to help her out. She wants to fly out. Pero nahirapan siya eh. Ayan. Nahirapan talaga siya. Siya na lang naiwan dito. Tatlo sila dito eh. Siya na lang naiwan. Kawawa naman. I feel bad for her. I wanna help her out fly. Maybe I'll go grab a twig or something so I can get her out. I'll help you. Come on. Get on the stick. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Oh, so cute. Yan na guys. Yan na siya. And she can fly. I'll just put her in the tree here. There you go. There. Fly away, bird, fly away. Fly away. Fly away. You can fly away now. You can go.
Now you're free. You're free. You're free. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you are. Now you can fly. Good girl. You can fly now. You can fly. You can fly. Yes. You can fly. Yeah. You can go. There you go. There you are. Hey, baby bird. You still here? Huh? You still here? Hey, baby bird. Hey. Hey, baby bird. Oh. Hey, baby bird. Come here. 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 Aww. Come here. You poor thing. I know. I know. Yeah, you stay there. Stay there. Oh. Go, go. Where are you going? Where are you going? You want to go back there? Oh. Where'd you go? He pooped on me, guys. Ayan o, may tae na. You wanna go up? Here. Wanna go up?